As we age, our muscle mass and mitochondrial function play a significant role in our overall health and longevity. Mitochondria are the powerhouses of our cells, responsible for converting fats and carbohydrates into usable energy in the form of ATP. Research has shown that having more mitochondria in our muscles, particularly in type 1 muscle fibers, can contribute to increased longevity. To maintain and improve mitochondrial function, it's essential to focus on two key processes: mitochondrial biogenesis, the formation of new mitochondria, and mitophagy, the recycling and refurbishment of existing mitochondria. As we age, our mitochondria become less efficient, leading to increased oxidative stress and inflammation. This phenomenon is known as inflammaging. To promote mitochondrial health and combat inflammaging, several lifestyle strategies can be employed. Regular cardio exercise, intermittent fasting, and periodic carbohydrate restriction can all help increase mitochondrial enzymes and content. Resistance training is also crucial for building and maintaining muscle mass, which provides more space for mitochondria to function efficiently. In addition to lifestyle factors, certain compounds like urolithin A, found in pomegranates, have shown promise in improving mitophagy and increasing mitochondrial content. Studies have demonstrated that supplementing with urolithin A can lead to increased leg strength, endurance, and reduced inflammation. To maximize the benefits of these strategies, it's recommended to engage in Zone 2 or Zone 3 cardio, 50 to 65% of maximum heart rate, 3 to 4 days per week. Practice intermittent fasting 2 to 3 days per week, or 1 20 to 24-hour fast per week, and cut off food intake around 6 to 7 p.m. to support circadian rhythms. Blood flow restriction (BFR) training can also help increase mitochondrial content and improve lactate threshold, allowing for more effective muscle building with lighter weights. By focusing on building muscle, engaging in regular cardio, practicing fasting, and potentially incorporating compounds like urolithin A, we can support our mitochondrial health and promote longevity as we age.